Hello everyone, just a quick video to wrap up the function for financial calculation with Excel. So I will lay out the same order that we have in the calculator. So N, let's do 30 year at 5% for $100,000. With full amortization, and the payment will be PMT, so first function equal PMT rate. Oh, first it's monthly, so time 12 divided by 12, this will be the same. Now this would be the 0 also. Let's compute the payment. PMT rate, number of period, present value, future value. And that will be our payment. If we want to have the number of period, it's N per the rate, the payment, the present value, and the future value. Obviously, since we computed the payment in order with all other variable, we get 360. The interest, it will be rate, N per, payment, PV, FV. PV will be PV, rate, number of period, payment, and future value. Future value will be FV, FV. Rate, number of period, payment, PV, that's it. Now, if I say after 15 years, I will have a new future value. Obviously, that will be the payment if I pay full amortization for the whole period. So each one takes the other result. So that's it. You also have, if you have multiple period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have cash flows, let's you can compute present value. You have a rate that you have to give. Let's say that we use the same rate here, and you can compute the present value. And if you paid that price in order to get those cash flows, I can use IRR, internal rate of return, and select all the cash flows, and I will have the same, obviously, because I computed it with it. I did compute it with it. So that's it.